So in this video we will see another method to create buttons. So this is one of the method. I will just create new file buttons.html. Body tag, and here to create button we have to use button tag and just write in between some text. Click here and anything you like, save it, and we'll open this in our browser. So let me just close other tabs. So we are able to see this button. So this is another way to create buttons in HTML. And of course you can use another. It have some attributes, that is type, button type reset, and button type submit. Suppose we are using some form, so to form we have to use form tag. We will see that later, but just to show the types. Okay, and we have some input tag, and we are asking user a name, input type text, and type is reset, and I will give it a text as reset field, and it has type reset, and we will see that this is something I entered. Okay, and I want to reset this, so I will click here. It will reset the input field because this button has of type reset, and it has another value of another type at submit. So what this will do is we have not connected this form to the database, so it will not actually the value enter we here, and if we click here, so it will not submit this value to nothing, so it will just vanish. So and another type is called as button. So this is just a sample button, just nothing, submit and reset, just of type button, and it will do act touch send. So if we type here and click here, it will do nothing. So these are the button types and its attributes.